has been made compulsory in both school and university curriculum in order to prepare the non-native English-speaking students to avoid communicative barriers in their careers as future experts and professionals. Despite the endeavours of ESL learners to excel in the English language learning, they are somehow impeded by certain affective factors, including communication or speaking anxiety. It has been observed that higher education students who speak English as a second language face speaking anxiety, which adversely affects their speaking performances both in and out of class activities. Students are having speaking anxiety during presentation as they feel nervous, they tend to read notes, and they also lack eye contact. This project is an e-module to equip the students with strategies and tips to deliver a good presentation, especially when they are required to speak or present in front of the audience. This individual-based e-kit also provides common phrases used in the presentation, as well as samples of students' presentation and feedback on the students' performance from the experts. This project intends to boost students' confidence, and it is mainly designed to provide strategies for oral presentations to reduce their speaking anxiety. It serves as a practical support for students with a fear of public speaking. The target audience of this e-kit is the Malaysian tertiary students who are required to speak or present in the presence of general audience. Now let's take a closer look at our Speak and Smile. This e-kit consists of 6 parts, which are oral presentation or public speaking basics, the 3 stages of presentation, pre-presentation, during presentation, post-presentation, strategies in oral presentation. Extra tips to reduce speaking anxiety, sample presentation and feedback from students. Lastly, checklist of a good presentation criteria. Exciting news! Our product has been upgraded with a new feature. Students can now easily upload their videos using a Google Drive link and receive instant feedback from experts. This convenient addition promotes seamless collaboration and helps students improve their learning with professional guidance. Get ready to make remarkable progress with this cutting-edge feature. This e-kit is designed considering the Malaysian setting, which focuses on ESL tertiary students. The simulation is provided in real academic context in accordance with the UiTM syllabus. The students can perform better due to adequate public speaking strategies and obtain good marks for their performance. The copyright registration has been applied to protect the authorship of this product. This e-kit is just one scan away. All you have to do is scan the QR code, then proceed to make the payment, and you will receive the access link shortly after.